I am really excited about this video today because we are talking about my favorite essential oil on the planet, Balance. Have you been wondering what to use doTERRA's Balance Essential Oil for, or what do you mix with doTERRA's Balance Essential Oil? In this video, I'm going to answer that question, share some fun facts, and even share some of my favorite ways I like to use this beautiful, woodsy, amazing essential oil. I'm Mandy Sommers, essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 10 years, and this is my favorite oil. So I'm excited to teach you all about this beautiful grounding blend, Balance. Now, if you stick around to the end, you will have the opportunity to grab my free essential oil usage guide, and also you can register for my weekly Essential Oils Made Easy class. I'll tell you how to do that at the end. Now, before I jump into this video, I would love to hear how you like to use this beautiful blend of Balance Essential Oil. Go ahead and drop that in the comments to share with our community. doTERRA's Balance Grounding Blend is one of my all-time favorites. The fresh, woody aroma of Balance makes it a perfect go-to oil during times of stress. This blend invokes feelings of tranquility, relaxation, and well-being. doTERRA's Balance Grounding Blend combats anxious feelings, and it also promotes a sense of calm and tranquility. Especially during times of adversity or stress, this blend can help promote feelings of peace and instill a quiet confidence. Many of the oils in this blend have been used for thousands of years to balance emotions and ease anxious feelings, and also harmonize the mind and body. This blend includes frankincense, spruce, ho-ho wood, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and osmanthus. Frankincense promotes feelings of peace and contentment, and it's been used in religious ceremonies around the world. Frankincense also promotes relaxation, a positive mood, and a strong mind and body connection. Now, spruce is renowned for its grounding properties. It has a fresh, woody aroma that can be used aromatically to soothe away stress and help with blocked emotions. The gentle aroma of Asian-grown ho wood soothes the mind and body and introduces feelings of peace. Ho wood essential oil has powerful calming and grounding properties. The blue tansy is distilled from the Moroccan tansy and is a fragrant flowering plant in the daisy family. It has a soft, sweet, and almost fruity aroma that is used to uplift the mood. And then we have blue chamomile, also known as German chamomile, and this rounds out our blend. It is calming and comforting. Blue chamomile essential oil is helpful in easing feelings of disappointment, worry, and or discouragement. Osmanthus flower eases feelings of stress, and these oils combined together in doTERRA's Balance promote emotional balance and calm frustrations and stress. This blend of rare and precious essential oils is pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil for the ease of use, so you just can put it directly on. It's warm and sweet and woody, and it is a favorite oil to diffuse and wear topically and to just have around you. So let me share with you just a few usage tips for you. You can begin your day by putting Balance on the bottom of your feet to promote feelings of calmness, stability, and tranquility throughout the entire day. You can also apply 1 to 2 drops on your wrist or your neck to help ease anxious feelings. And then you can also diffuse it in your car during a road trip to create a calming, soothing environment, or in your office if you need that environment there, or at home. Now, I personally love to mix 3 drops of Serenity and 3 drops of Balance in a diffuser to help me get a heavenly night's sleep. I also love making bath bombs with Balance oil, and you can check out that video either up in the cards, whichever side I put them on, or down in the description below. doTERRA's Balance Essential Oil is also found in our doTERRA's Aroma Touch Technique Kit. We have a natural deodorant that is infused with Balance, and you can also get it in the Natural Solutions Kit. We also have a Balance bath bar that is amazing. So to purchase Balance or one of my starter kits, go ahead and check the description below. Now it's freebie time because you made it to the end, and I am so grateful that you watched all the way through. So I want to give you a personal invitation to my Essential Oils Made Easy class. You can find the link in the description below to register. You can also follow the link below to access my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils, their common uses, and so much more. Go ahead and click that in the description below, and it will show up in your email box in no time. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed learning all about Balance Essential Oil. Hit that subscribe button, and please, please, please reach out to me if you are interested in scheduling a free wellness consultation, or if you want to learn how to get your essential oils at 25% off retail. I can help you with that. That will also give you access to all of my essential oil courses. Have a wonderful day. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye-bye.